couponers, today I wanted to do a video on the difference between redeeming a receipt from CVS Pharmacy versus redeeming a receipt from Walmart for an Ibotta rebate. So if we go into the app, usually it opens up to the home screen, and let's say that, well, I knew that there was a current CoverGirl rebate. I'm not sure when I'm going to publish this on YouTube or on Facebook, so this rebate might not still exist, but just wanted to show you how much easier it is to redeem a rebate from Walmart than it is from CVS. It's a lot less time consuming. So I've already gone through, and I have a rebate or a review on YouTube that explains this, but I've already gone through and selected the offers that are currently at CVS that I want to redeem, and one of them is the CoverGirl. So if I go down here into my offers, then I can scroll and find the CoverGirl. ¿Dónde está? There it is. On select varieties. When I was in the store, I already checked the barcode, but you can always do that as well. So you scroll down here to see where check product barcode, because you always want to make sure that when it's like in any type of situation that what you purchased is going to get the rebate that you want. Otherwise, you got to go through the hassle of returns and all that kind of stuff. All right. So once that's confirmed, we can hit redeem for the CVS stuff. So it has to be from CVS 3:30 to 4:06. We're going to hit continue. And then we're going to take a photo of the receipt with hopefully nothing more in the background. Sometimes you have to take, I make sure it's flat. So I don't like when the cashier folds it up for me. Okay, and then you hit finish, and you'll see that there's two CoverGirl on there. Alright, so in this situation, we need to find the CoverGirl, select it, add to that one. We're going to add the quantity to 2. We're going to scan the barcodes again. And see how I kind of like lackadaisically held it up? You can do that too. And then we're going to add our 2 purchases for $6 and collect $6. Now, the Walmart one, way easier, people. Way easier. All you do, if this is legible on the receipt, if this little QR code is legible on the receipt, it just goes through that whole process. It basically, it's like it took the picture, scanned the barcodes, and all of a sudden it will come up with this. It's a beautiful thing. So I'll show you how it's done. Before we get into the Walmart one, I just wanted to show you really quick. Once a receipt has processed, you'll get this little bell notification, but you also get an email. That's why I know the bell notification there is there. And you can see that I got that $6 at CVS Pharmacy, so let's hit that. And so it will show you that when I submitted it, the offer that I got, and that's that. I also like to go at that point into my account, check on my bonuses, and you'll see that I'm getting close to teamwork. I'm pretty close to the Spring Showers 1, Spring Showers 2, and that's what I'm working towards right now, is that extra $6, and I've got to get it done before, I've got to hit enough rebates before the 8th of April. So I need 2 more for this one. I need 3 more for this one, but these are stackable. So the 3 that I buy for this one will count for this one and count for this one. So basically I just need 3 more offers, and I'll get that additional $6 of just bonus bucks on Ibotta. Alright, are you guys ready to see how fast a Walmart receipt on Ibotta can be redeemed? Alright, see how these poise pads were $4.68. I used a $3 coupon. So now we're gonna go into Ibotta. I already checked this in store, but just to, if you've selected the Poise rebate or whatever rebate that you're going for, I always check it in, oh dang it. I always check it in store when I can. But you just go down here, especially on something like this that's like any package, variety, any size. Just to be sure so that I've come home and I've been disappointed and not liked what I, the results and what they've been. Alright, so we're good there to go. We got the check mark, so we're going to go to redeem. Continue. Capture QR code. Hello, beautiful thing. That's the QR code. That's how quickly, I mean, just a second. One matched offer, which is going to be the Poise, and then collect purchase. So these will end up costing me $1.16 because I'll get that dollar back from Ibotta. So folks, that's how quick it is with Walmart. That's why it's so awesome to shop at Walmart with Ibotta. The only like disadvantage compared to like Walmart or Target or CVS is Target and CVS have other deals sometimes, like buy $15, get $5 back, either an extra care bucks or a Target gift card. So that's how you can kind of do more of a triple play than you can at Walmart. Let me know what questions you have in the About section below. If you want to download Ibotta, if you do not have it on your phone, you can do so. And if you use our referral code, then it will help us and also help you be a part of our team. I'll include a link to it, but there it is visually. If you are visually impaired, there'll be a link to it as well in the About section. So in April, invite friends, and whatever they earn, you'll earn, plus get an extra $5 for each friend. I think it varies on your end, like what the offer is, but it should tell you when you're signing up. Let me know what questions you have, and we will see you next time.